Where are you, Ace? You're here. How about Anya?
Combination fried rice.
Daming order ni Daddy, ah.
This one.
With the tart? Yeah, we'll try.
Oh. Thank you.
Dessert agad, Anya. Ha? Ha? Gutom na. Appetizer muna. Tayo ng siomai.
Oh. You want siomai? Ano? Hintayin natin
mabuo. Na. Sarap. Eh, you want siomai? Yummy? Yummy.
Anya?
How about Anya? Yummy. Yum, yeah. Mainit ba? Oh.
Plate. Ninong walang plate.
Sarap, Anya. Sarap. Kaya siya ng fried rice. Sarap fried rice, Anya.
Oh.
How about Ace? Sinusubuan ng Daddy. Eat na, eat na. Nahuli yung order. Tapos na. Tapos na si Daddy.
Tulala.
Busog na. Daming mayonnaise. Oh, diba? Level up. Thank you. Ayan nga. Bye-bye. May pa take home.